Welcome to this explainer. Okay, today we're diving into something that is literally reshaping the modern working world. We are decoding exactly how to build an income using AI. And you know what the absolute best part is? You need zero prior experience to get the ball rolling. So let's just jump right in.
Right off the bat, this brings us to the million-dollar question. How do you actually earn with AI today? Look, we all hear the hype, right? But today, we're cutting straight through that noise. We're going to walk through 5 proven, highly practical pathways that everyday people are using to generate income right this second.
Now, if you're worried about startup costs, don't be. The barrier to entry here is just incredibly low. You absolutely do not need some fancy $1,000 software suite, and you definitely don't need a computer science degree. Seriously, if you've got a smartphone, decent internet access, and a genuine willingness to learn, you've got everything you need. Your success here is going to rely entirely on your persistence and your curiosity.
So here is our roadmap for today. We'll start with number 1, the AI opportunity. Move into number 2, creative AI income paths. Then number 3, technical AI income paths. After that, we'll hit number 4, building your portfolio, and wrap up with number 5, avoiding beginner mistakes.
Okay, section 1, the AI opportunity, changing how we work.
Let's move into Section 2, Creative AI Income Paths. High-demand skills.
All right, method number 1 is AI content writing. Think about it. Literally every business out there needs written content, right? Blog articles, email newsletters, snappy social media posts, product descriptions, the whole shebang. And AI is just a brilliant assistant for this. It can instantly help you brainstorm totally fresh angles and draft up the initial copy for your clients. It's a total game changer because it dramatically cuts down the time you spend just staring at a blank page, praying for inspiration to strike. But let's be real for a second. The reality of working with AI is that you still absolutely need sharp human skills. Writing, editing, thorough research, and good communication, those are non-negotiable. Your job is not just to hit generate and call it a day. No way. Your real job is to fact-check, professionally edit, and perfectly tailor that AI draft so it sounds exactly like the client's specific brand voice. Think of it like this. The AI is your assistant, but you're the editor-in-chief.
Moving on, method 2 takes us right into AI graphic design. By using AI-powered design tools, creators can now whip up stunning visual assets super efficiently. We're talking social media graphics, eye-catching posters, compelling presentation decks, and even those first draft concepts for logos and marketing materials. It basically allows you to produce visually striking concepts in just a fraction of the time it used to take.
However, much like with writing, the AI is really only providing the raw materials. To deliver truly professional results, the kind that clients will actually pay good money for, you still need a solid fundamental understanding of design, color selection, typography, and branding. That uniquely human touch, that is exactly what elevates a kind of generic AI image into a highly purposeful piece of commercial design.
Okay, method 3 is video content creation. The heavy lifting of video production is getting completely streamlined by AI tools these days. Right now, you can use artificial intelligence to brainstorm viral video ideas, write out full scripts, generate super accurate captions in a matter of seconds, create engaging thumbnails, and even help out with the actual video editing process. It's wild. But here is the crucial point to remember. AI cannot manufacture a real connection with a viewer. Things like nuanced video editing, authentic storytelling, and genuine audience engagement, that is entirely up to you. Original storytelling and consistency are what actually capture and hold an audience's attention. The trick is to use the AI to handle all those tedious production steps so you can focus 100% on just telling a really great story.
Next up, Section 3. Technical AI income paths, solving operational issues. Let's look at method 4, website creation with AI. There are countless small businesses out there that desperately need a professional online presence, but we all know traditional web design can be slow and super expensive. Well, today, AI can step in to suggest full website layouts, literally generate the underlying code, and even write the site's copy, all while making sure the whole thing adapts smoothly to both desktop and mobile devices. But again, a raw AI-generated website isn't a functional business tool without a human architect to put it together. You've got to understand website structure, user experience, responsive design, and of course, client communication. Your knowledge of how a real human being actually navigates a web page is the critical bridge. That's what turns raw AI code into a polished, functional website that actually drives sales for your client.
And that brings us to Method 5, AI automation services. Honestly, this might be the most valuable proposition of all. Why? Because business owners simply do not have the time to sit down and learn AI themselves. Every single day, they are losing hours and hours to repetitive tasks. So you can come in and use AI-assisted tools to automate those exact workflows. Imagine setting up a system that automatically routes customer service emails for a local bakery. You are literally handing that owner their time back. And time is money.
Now, mastering this does require a specific set of skills: workflow organization, problem-solving, communication, and a grasp of basic automation concepts. But think about the payoff. When you can walk right into a business, pinpoint exactly where their bottleneck is, and implement a custom AI tool to solve it, you instantly transition from being just another freelancer to becoming an absolutely indispensable operational asset. All right, Section 4, Building Your Portfolio. Prove you can deliver. When you're putting together your online portfolio, there are a few non-negotiable must-haves. You absolutely need to carefully curate your best writing, design, website, or automation samples. But listen to this. Do not just drop a link on a page and walk away. You have to explicitly explain how you solved problems for that client. Demonstrate your continuous improvement and walk the viewer step by step through your process. You want to show them exactly how your specific combination of AI tools and human judgment achieved a killer result.
Finally, Section 5, Avoiding Beginner Mistakes, Navigating Successfully.
Look, there is a very clear divide between amateurs and professionals in this space. Amateurs, they copy the AI output directly, they expect instant overnight success, and they usually quit early when it doesn't happen. Professionals, on the other hand, focus heavily on quality control. They put in consistent daily effort and they communicate properly with their clients. I really want to firmly drive this home. AI is an amazing tool to enhance your effort, but it is not a magical shortcut to just skip doing the work entirely. So to bring this whole thing together, here's the exact, highly repeatable journey you should take starting today. Step 1, learn just one skill. Seriously, pick one. Don't overwhelm yourself. Step 2, practice that skill daily. Step 3, build a portfolio showcasing your best work. Step 4, use AI responsibly to solve actual real-world problems. And Step 5, keep growing. Your experience is naturally going to build with every single project you complete. I want to leave you with this final super important thought. AI can definitely make you wildly productive, but your creativity, your judgment, and your persistence, those are the things that actually create long-term wealth. Please don't let the technology intimidate you. Instead, step up and leverage your uniquely human traits. Because the truth is, AI won't replace you, but someone using AI just might. So what skill are you going to start learning today? Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer, and I'll see you in the next one.